Guys, it's me again in a new video. Today I'm going to show you how to connect the Galaxy Watch 4 onto your smart device. So something that I would like to mention here is the fact that this is not a Samsung device. So I'll go ahead and open the Samsung wearable app. So you go to your Play Store and search for Samsung Watch, and you open the wearable app. And when you open it, right away your device should be displayed. You click on it and pair. So the number one time password is shown on your device, so you can pair it up. Watch for manager. So your phone should be downloading a special software exactly designed for the watch. So check your phone and complete the setup. So it is done. So now let's go ahead and wait for the process to be done. So now we have, you can sign in for the Samsung account, which I'll be skipping for right now. Now, as you can see, it's asking for a few permissions, which I'm going to allow. What it asks for is just the fact that if you should allow notifications to go to your watch, that you can get calls from it, that you can access all the files from your phone, so that you can I'm just assuming that you can use your files from your watch, but yep, let's go ahead and set this up. I just set up my Samsung account to go on my watch, which I said I will skip, but I didn't. I just wanted to just make sure that it all went correct, but I'm not sure why. Now it's trying to restore your watch backup. I'm not sure. This is my first time getting a Samsung watch, so I don't think there is a watch backup. So let's just go ahead and finish it up. So it says you're all set on the phone and on the watch. So now you can see the battery percentage. You have the watch faces, app screen. So this is like a quick overview of how to set up the watch, and if you want me to post a complete review on the Galaxy Watch 4, make sure you subscribe. And this was not a sponsored video, and I bought the watch for myself. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next one.